my dear.
Just ride forward. Wiggle your hand a little bit. That's it. Outside rein. Don't pull on the inside. Just connect the outside rein more. That's better. Too loose on the outside. Oof. That's better. Now you're getting it. Just keep a steady outside rein contact.
You know what? I gotta redo the stirrups.
Okay, they're too long for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm trying to stand in my
Department.
There you go, Deb. Just drop your inside hand. Just forget about it. And push with your inside leg. Push her to the rein. Yeah, better. Keep her on a circle. Good. Okay. Slow your posting just a bit. Keep her on a circle up here.
He's a beautiful horse. Fun to ride too.
Push with your inside leg. Yes, very nice. Whatever you did there. Yeah.
I just hate to tell you, I don't like your saddle.
All right, I'm sorry. You want to put yours on?
No, it does not fit.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Let me keep riding. I just can't move in it.
Well, you don't have to move.
You know, you're a little behind the motion
Yeah.
too. See if you can.
I'm sorry, but maybe it's too small for you.
If it's any consolation, I loved it.
Oh, thank you. I love it too.
Stop riding with your inside hand. Just forget about it. Yes. More inside leg. Yes. Good. Keep using your leg. Try to pull your leg a little more behind you. Yes, like that.
I cannot pull it behind me.
The saddle doesn't work when your stirrups are short, that's for sure. That's nice.
Good. Try some transitions that are thought out and planned. Make her march forward. Yeah. Not trot, just walk. Make her listen. Good. Yeah. Then go into trot, then back to walk, and just, get her listening to you.
No.
Try.
No.
Nice job, Debbie.
Put that inside hand, don't pull.
Good.
Can't find my legs in the saddle.
Don't tell yourself you can't. You're doing a lot well. You know what it is? You need to pull back from your pelvis.
You're looking good.
Especially the downward behind.
Let them all go. Tickle with the outside rein. Tickle, tickle.
Yes. Just leave her alone now. That's very good for her.
Definitely doesn't like your cat.
She doesn't know it.